on the assessment sheet, it will say unable to stabilize the vehicle turning left or right. One of the most commonly asked questions about driving assessment score sheet is, what do they mean by unable to stabilize a vehicle turning left/right? So what it means, if I'm turning left, if I over accelerate and if I partially go to the right lane while I intended to go to the far left lane, that would be path problem as well as the movement problem. Movement because you miscoordinated steering ratio and your speed. Don't spin your wheels faster while the same wheels are directing your car body specifically to one of the lanes. Also, what people do wrong sometimes, they accelerate prematurely before they finish turning. Ensure that you get your path under control, so straighten out your steering wheel before you can put your foot down. Often people would do that a lot sooner. They would try to correct it thinking there's deficit with the ability to turn, but it's not that. Even if I tried it with tens of millions of kilometers behind me, if I try to turn left at 45 kilometers an hour, I just couldn't do it because you got to slow down. So it's all about synchronizing your movement, your motion, with your steering ratio. See, when I'm turning left, I'm going to keep it within sort of 15 kilometers an hour if I want to end up in the left lane. Now, when I've straightened up, I can put my foot down and, you can go up to the speed limit, whatever the speed limit is. Let me know if you have any questions about driving test sheets, how the assessment's marked, and what you should know before you take your driving assessment. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.